A leader is tested when the easy path is corruption plus personal gains, and the hard path is principle. VP Chiwenga took the hard path. Zarabina mashoko bdapangwa enoy adrogonota as a makumich oyachi describe VP Constantino Chiwenga as a true leader destined to liberate our own country. And subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tipina panapa endo pagam cheating. PAHU always offer you two roads. The first is wide, smooth, and paved with corruption and self-interest. The second is narrow, steep, and built on principle. Most choose the easy road. They sell out, vacation, they forget the people. Vice President retired General Constantino Chiwenga took the hard path. When the dues came, he refused to sell out. When the pressure came, he refused to betray the nation he fought for. He remembers the liberation struggle was not fought so a few can eat while the many starve. He remembers the blood in the bush was not spilled so tenders could be looted in air-conditioned offices. That is the test of a people-centered leader, and Chiwenga passed it. Zimbabwe is no shortage of politicians who will join any table where money is being shared. We have a shortage of leaders who will flip at the table when the people are being robbed. Chiwenga chose to stand with the masses. He chose to defend the national interest over personal gain. He chose the constitution over convenience. Anyone can be brave when it costs nothing. Real courage is saying no when yes would make you rich overnight. Real loyalty is standing by the people when abandoning them would make your life easier. Africa is bleeding from the leaders who took the easy path. Zimbabwe needs leaders who take the hard one. Leaders who will be remembered not for what they owned, but for what they refused to steal. VP Chiwenga took the hardest path. That is why he is trusted. That is why he is feared by the corrupt. And that is why he is the kind of leader this country needs if we are serious about winning. Toma developments are dapangwa in a comment section menus of Guru Enyu, or Gudi Pamsrupe, now General Chiwenga. So subscribe or like, hit on the bell icon.